Everyone loves a slam and kick, but sometimes when you're digging through samples, you find one that works, but it's just not quite right. You try to shape it, you try to EQ it, it's just not working. Today, I'm gonna show you a really cool trick on how you can make your own kick drums by combining the best elements of two of them. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna teach you how to make your kick drum better by putting two kicks together. Sound interesting? Check this out. Sometimes you run across some samples that have, a long subby kick but don't have any transient. Other times you might run across a kick drum that has all transient but no tail. And, it might have the perfect sound, but it's just not working. Well, let me give you a tip. You can actually make your own kicks if you're clever. Curious how? Let me show you. I've got a Pro Tools session opened up, and check this out. This kick right here at the top, I made it with my friend Cuts, and I've used it in some productions. Looks like we actually made it once at 4 a.m. Nice and punchy. Kick drums are very important in dance music. If you don't have a nice slam and kick, it's not going to cut through the mix. I went ahead and pulled two kick drums that I felt were so-so. Well, actually, this first one was just in some sample pack I had, and it sucks. It's got some subbiness to it at the end, but that's the only thing it's got working for it. Check this one out. This one's okay. It's got a nice transient. I'm not really a fan of that tail though. It's kind of blah, blah. It's got a lot of unnecessary frequencies and it's just blubbery. I don't even know the word to describe it. It's kind of flabby. Maybe EQ could fix that, but Okay, so here's the trick. And the reason why I like using Pro Tools for this is because Pro Tools is amazing at editing. And let's go. What you need to do is you need to find the zero crossing point of the phase. So if you understand waveforms work in an up and down motion and they always cross at zero. That's where you need to make your slice points. So looking at these waveforms, I can see that the transient for this waveform is here and it sucks. It ramps up. So I probably want to catch this sub after that. So somewhere around here, and you can play with this and you can see the zero crossing point on that line. And so there it is. So I'm going to slice that with Control E right there. There's the tail. Now let's take an element of this transient. So I like this section here, this whole section. It might be a little long, but we can always cut it down. And you can actually make different kicks this way. Wow, what a coincidence. I actually landed right on the zero crossing. Boom, there it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that, delete that, and I'm going to take that and delete that, and I'm in shuffle mode, so they're just going to pair together, and now I have this. I could turn this up if I want. And that is a much bigger kick drum. If I wanted to take that down a little bit, I could literally go into this crossing point right here, which is right there, boom. And then I could take that little bit out and I'm gonna get a little bit sharper. I could consolidate these. Now I have a new kick drum. And there we go. I might save that, put it in my library. So that's how you can make your own kicks. I hope this was helpful. Follow me for more tips. And that's how you can use two kick drums to make your own, which therefore can help you enhance and make your own sound. This is a very top tip of mine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. If you want to learn more top tips on how to mix your kick and your bass, I'll leave you a video to a link on top 5 side chaining tricks. Once again, Freddie from Distinct Mastering signing out. Thanks again.